Hi everyone, today we are taking you on a tour of a Pratapgarh farmhouse in Garhmukteshwar, Hapur. Find your perfect holiday home at Pratapgarh Farms, discover tranquility near Delhi NCR, escape the hustle and bustle of city life, and find your peaceful retreat at Pratapgarh Farms in Garhmukteshwar, Hapur. These premium farmhouse plots starts at just 5500 per square yard, offering an affordable opportunity to own a piece of serenity. Situated just an hour from Delhi, Garhmukteshwar combines the convenience of city life with the peace of nature. Essential services like schools, markets, hospitals, and petrol pumps are only minutes away, making daily life stress free. Pollution free environment, enjoy clean, fresh air, and a healthier lifestyle away from the pollution of the city. This project is spread across 150 bighas of land. Pratapgarh Farms offers plot sizes starting from 756 square yard to 1250 square yard. Perfect for creating your dream holiday home or farm stay. At Pratapgarh Farms, breathe fresh air and live in harmony with nature. This farmhouse will have major convenience like government electricity, wide blacktop approach roads, and key amenities are just minutes away. So if you have any questions or would like to experience it in person, so you have to call our property experts at the number given below in the description.